What's up, YouTube family? This is David at Computer Booter back again with another repair. We have an Xbox One that is acting up. I believe it might be the hard drive, so I'm just about to remove that and test it and find out if it's the hard drive, and if so, we'll rebuild another hard drive. Now I've got to use my computer here to plug in the drive. Right in there, we're going to test it. Alright. Okay, scanning for the drives. Short drive self-test. Oh, yeah, I forgot to give you a call. No, I didn't. I don't think it's going to be fixable. I tried everything that I know how to do, and it just doesn't seem like it. I'll just void the invoice out and just toss it in the parts bin. Yeah, we don't have until 9. But yeah, alright man, well, sorry about that, I wish we could get it fixed, but yeah, I'll see you soon. Another day. Look. Yeah? Later, bro. Okay, so the hard drive tested okay. That's not good. Okay, get the hard drive. Come on, zoom out. Well, that didn't do anything. It's not bad. So let's plug it in. Let's see what might be going on with the system here. Can't point up there. Darn. How am I supposed to do that? Not even getting the signal right now. There we go. I'm just thinking if possibly just replacing, oops, I can't do that, can I? Replacing the hard drive might just fix this issue because it is booting up really slow. So yeah, let's go ahead and set up a new hard drive and see how that works. So what you gotta do to set up a hard drive is this. Drop it in, open up the command prompt as the administrator. Run the Activating the new Xbox Drive. Hey, what's up, dude? Good to see you. No, you do not format what this game was created. No. Fine. Okay. Press the link. Now we gotta copy all the Xbox One files over to it. Copy these. And that's done. So we go to X Drive. There's a system update drive. We will create an A folder, a B folder, paste everything in here from the one folder. And this takes about 3 minutes. We gotta paste it into the B folder as well. Okay, so you have to copy the updated VXD, cut that, paste that in the root, and then copy the rest of it to the B folder. Also, in the meantime, I'm gonna check to see. Hey, how you doing? How you doing today? This is a boring video, isn't it? I hope you fast forwarded through all this. I'm just talking to the YouTubers that might be watching this video because it's 25 minutes and it's literally been staring at my computer screen copying over data. But this is what an Xbox One hard drive repair costs. The Xbox over here that you saw me boot up actually did not boot up. It stayed on the Xbox One loading screen forever. So the hard drive tested okay, but I find that PS4s and Xbox Ones, when they're having issues with loading stuff and they're not loading up, even if the hard drive tests good with a short drive self-test, it still is bad. I'm not sure what the deal is with these hard drives and how they're going bad, that they're testing good but going bad, but that just seems to be the case in my experience. I'm actually going to try doing an offline update on this Xbox before I put this new built hard drive in, because I want to see if that fixes it. So let me find my USB stick, which I think is right here. And this is done, so I'm going to turn it off and eject this. Eject the hard drive. Put this flash drive. Let's see if this is Xbox One. Yep, this is the Xbox offline USB stick. So let's go over here. Man, it's hard to zoom out on this thing. Alright. Okay, so we'll put this in the back of it. We'll hold the bind and eject buttons. Let's see. No! So, you cannot see it. Oh, something went wrong. So I tried to do the offline update and said something went wrong, if you can see up there. Something went wrong. What went wrong? What went wrong? Oh, come on, Zoom. God, this is horrible. I am trying to get more equipment so I can do the normal videos that everybody does. Overhead cam, microscope cam, all that jazz. But I don't have it set up right now. I have somebody that I'm going to be paying coming to help me set it all up soon so I can do awesome videos, live videos. But for now, let's try doing an offline system update again and see what happens on this bad boy. Nothing. So yeah, it has an E101 error, which, like I said, is most likely going to be the hard drive. So turn it off. Don't plug it because hard drive's bad. Let's take the hard drive out. Put the newly built hard drive in. Hold the bind and eject buttons until it beeps twice. There it goes. Now it's trying to do it. Let's see what happens. E101 again. I don't think there was a more recent update, was there? Let's try to reset first with this new hard drive and then we'll apply the update, see what happens. So that is not working. So now it's doing the reset in safe mode with the new hard drive, but it is not installing the update from the USB stick. This is not working very well. Let us... Something went wrong. Jeez, oh man, this thing is problematic. Okay, maybe I'll do it like that. Oh, cool. Alright. I'm not sure what is going on with this one. Let's see. Start. So this thing is just not doing it. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. I got an idea. Let us replace the SATA cables for this one. They go bad sometimes. Customers. This new one, we're going to put his old drive in. Like I said, the old drive did not test bad. And we're going to plug this in again. Remember, before on the original drive here, it would not boot up all the way. Oh damn, it's trying to do a whoop. That actually worked that worked instantly. That worked instantly. The SATA cables were bad. And now I am wiping his original drive. Yay! That's okay. He knew he was going to lose his data if I had to replace the drive. He was okay with it, so it should work now. I guess the SATA cables were bad. That's crazy. What's up, homies? I'm front. What's up? What?
You're kidding, right? My PlayStation controller.
Oh, cool.
You fixed it.
Cool.
We just gotta forget what he's got. If he forgot, we can walk out.
Why would I have done that?
Ching!
I got really customers. What's up? Yeah.
And he was like, "Oh, please put that ball in my cup today." I just didn't respond. I'm not gonna entertain it. No, it's not your ball. I put it in my locker.
Like he gave it to you, right? Or was it
Jesse
somebody?
didn't give it to me. A league bowler gave it to me.
And why was somebody else trying to tell you to put your ball that you
Jesse
own
was trying to tell me
live?
to put my ball in his thing because he claimed that he paid for that ball off of that person, but he didn't talk straight to the person who gave it to him.
Yeah.
The thing is, league bowlers was like one of our league bowlers, and he
Oh,
has,
sweet.
Like,
They fixed it.
He has like $4,600 worth of equipment. So it's like they don't. It's not cheap. They spend a lot of money on it. And
Okay.
so he gave me 2 bowling balls, and he was like, and they were fit to his hand, so I know they were his. It's not even tipping them.
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, I didn't sell that to that person.
Just to recap, this little bastard had a bad SATA cable connector. That's all. That's all it had, was this bad connector. That's it. Awesome.